Are you looking to speed up your blog post research process? Well, today with ChatGPT 01 Preview you can. This tool is absolutely amazing. You can start with quite a detailed post, a command, a prompt that you couldn't normally do with standard ChatGPTs. Here you can ask for multiple different things to be done. So I've asked for this prompt here, I'm looking to create a blog post or do research on my blog post for AI tools for content creation. So firstly, I've asked it to search the serps for some keywords for my blog post, AI tool content creation. Once you have found a list of keywords, please list them for me. Obviously, we want to see the keywords for me to see. Then can you please provide me a topical map including 4 main pillar posts? They're going to be our foundational content that we build off. Then 30 posts for each pillar. These posts should be 25 informational, so they're going to be the ones that drive our audience, hopefully. And then 5 transactional, so the ones that are going to make us money. So under our 4 pillars, we'll have 3, 6, 9, 12, 120 posts, hopefully outlined below. Please use long-tailed keywords where possible. After you've shown me the topical map, could you please suggest affiliate offers we could promote for those 5 transactional posts? And finally, once you have provided me affiliate offers, can you please create a short Facebook post I could use as a template for one of these offers? I'm using the Facebook post just to see how it goes with such a long prompt with many different steps. So let's hit enter and see how we go. Now I do believe this will take some time. So we're thinking, mapping the journey, understanding constraints. So I don't know if these are just generic, I don't know. So AI writing tools, ethical input. Okay, I didn't ask about that. So I think some of these might just be standard things it shows. Maybe not. I could be wrong. So let's let it do its thing. 32 seconds. Here's our list of keywords. Long tail. So long tail keywords make it a bit easier to rank for. If you're just trying to rank for SEO content, far harder, or just AI tools. AI tools for SEO content, that's still going to be a difficult niche to crack, but adding a long tail keyword definitely does help. Topical map, so here we go. We want 30 posts. So AI writing tools. Top 10 writing assistants in AI writing tools for non... So yeah, these aren't too bad. And then our transactional posts, writing tools to buy in, AI writing software subscription plan comparison, discounts on top AI, how to choose a rate, pillar post 2, 3, 4, affiliate offers for transactional posts. Here we go. Oh, so it's actually giving us offers for each pillar, which is amazing. Boost your writing with Jasper AI. And that was just my test to see how it would go. So you can see here, rather than using, I don't know, that would have been, for me personally, I like to stuff around a bit when I'm talking to ChatGPT. So that could have taken me 15 to 20 minutes to kind of go through all of these. Instead, in one prompt, we have used, it's taken 32 seconds to get this full response, which is just unbelievable. Anyway, this is why this 01 preview is just absolutely fantastic.